Welcome to EBI SQL e-Invoice sharing. We proudly invite Mr. Bryan Cheong, who is the ambassadors and speakers of SQL accounting software. He is a CEO of Syntax Technology as well. We are going to share a series of Q&A about e-Invoice to all of you. If you are first time watching this video, please watch our previous video so that you can get the better understanding of e-Invoice. That the mandatory implementation of e-Invoice has been separated into 3 stages. So can you share with us more about what are the 3 stages?
Okay, now basically implementation of e-Invoice separate into 3 stages according to your company income. The first stages will be starting from 1st of August 2024, that means this year. If your company earnings is more than 100 millions. Second stage, if your company income is more than 25 millions and less than 100 millions, then your company e-Invoice implementation will start on 1st of January 2025. And the last stage will be applicable to all taxpayer or all business. It will start on 1st of July 2025. Now, how you determine your company income is actually based on your 2022 audited report. If you are not a Sendirian Berhad or just a sole proprietor or partnership, then it's based on your income that you declare in your tax declaration for the year 2022.
If my company, the turnover is less than 100 million, does it mean that I would not be impacted by this?
Now, some people will ask me, Bryan, my income is less than 25 million, so I'll start only on 2025. So I don't need to know anything about e-Invoice. Actually, it's not so correct. Why? Because imagine if you are dealing with a company more than 100 millions, that means your supplier will start on 1st of August 2024. Sometimes some big company will actually request you to do self-registrations, that means earlier registrations for e-Invoice. Why? Imagine you are a big company, you already registered for e-Invoice, and now you receive a normal invoice. So look at this invoice, you might be thinking that this supplier, whether he is a e-Invoice registrant, that he wrongly issued this normal invoice to me, or he actually is not an e-Invoice registrant that not issue a normal invoice to me. So why not I ask all my supplier to register first, okay? Or I only deal with e-Invoice registrant, then I don't need to find out the background of my supplier. So this is happening. In some cases, you might force to do earlier registrations for your e-Invoicing.
Meaning that no matter how much turnover is your business, you need to get ready and prepared earlier to avoid any complications of e-Invoicings.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, Bryan. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye.